Parboiled rice. Origin, India. Benefits, retains more nutrients than white rice, keeps fluffy after cooking. Nutrients, carbs, protein, vitamin B1, iron, fiber. Carnaroli rice. Origin, Italy. Benefits, perfect for creamy risottos, absorbs flavors well. Nutrients, carbs, protein, small amounts of B vitamins. Black Japonica rice. Origin, USA and Asia. Benefits, antioxidant-rich, heart-friendly, fiber-rich. Nutrients, anthocyanins, fiber, protein, iron, B vitamins. Forbidden black rice. Origin, China. Benefits, high antioxidants, supports anti-inflammatory health. Nutrients, fiber, anthocyanins, protein, iron. Texmati rice. Origin, USA, Texas. Benefits, aromatic long-grain rice, good for pilaf and curries. Nutrients, carbs, protein, B vitamins, magnesium. Wehani rice. Origin, USA, California. Benefits, red-brown rice, nutty flavor, high fiber. Nutrients, fiber, protein, iron, B vitamins.